Huh?
Can we buy pancakes now?
Can we buy or you're gonna cook?
Buy flour,
And
egg, water.
and you're going to cook pancake.
Yeah.
Okay. You will wait for me here. I'm gonna buy or you're gonna sama.
I'm gonna sama.
Okay. Oh, let's go. Faster.
Sampuya. Sampuya.
Tabi, tabi, tabi.
What is that sound, Mom? Mom, I can't hold my pee, Mama.
Ha?
I can't hold my pee.
Ba't kasi hindi ka umihi kanina? Ay, naku. Mamaya dun.
I can't hold my pee.
Mamaya. Hindi ka umihi.
I can't hold my pee. I can't hold my pee.
What?
Hold my pee.
O, saan ka iihi? Dapat umihi ka na bago tayo umalis. Ha?
Oh, check in here.
Mamaya dun. Maghanap tayo dun ng iihian mo.
Please, 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 please. Please, please, I can't hold it any longer.
Ba't kasi hindi ka umihi dun kanina? Saan tayo iihi dito sa kalsada? Dito na lang.
Where?
Dito na lang, dito. Ay, naku. You're done?
Yes. Mom, why
Yes?
does George's face look like it's in a funny way?
Ha?
With that, with two pupils on his eyes almost connecting together. And why does George ate the poop?
Sino naman, George?
George,
Sino yun?
Peppa's little baby brother.
Ah.
Are you, Mom? Are you a dummy?
Stop saying bad words.
I know you're a dummy because you don't know any characters.
Stop saying bad words.
Mom, I think there's a tiny earthquake happening.
Where?
It will only make me jump.
Saan?
Look, it's my school. Ah,
Oh.
ah, ah. Look up.
That's your school?
Yes. Can I go back inside there?
Bakit? Gagawin mo dun.
Why? Mom, why? Wait, how is there a moon on daytime still?
So, saan tayo pupunta?
The store.
Bibili tayo ng
Flour.
tapos
Egg. Water.
may water tayo sa bahay. We're not going to buy water.
Mom, you had went the wrong way. Mom,
Hmm?
did you hear me? You had went the wrong way.
No. It's
Yes.
the right way.
Yes, I know. There's a house bird not getting electrocuted.
What?
Why is bird not getting electrocuted?
Hindi ko alam. I don't know.
If they touch another wire, they will get electrocuted. Am I right?
Apa.
What? This is not the right way. I like the wall.
This one?
Yes.
Why?
It's so spiky. It's so spiky. And I can rub my entire body in it.
You will get hurt.
Open? Yeah, let's go. Now we are gonna come back to school. Trust me, Mom.
Tomorrow pa. You don't have pasok na tomorrow again. You have pasok.
I don't have pasok now.
But tomorrow you have.
What? No. That's not fair. Is that a glizzy?
Who's
But in
glizzy?
triangle form from a stick? Can I ride in the moon? Mom, can I ride? Mom?
Sige na, buy ka na ng flour. Here.
Mom, can I ride in a moon?
Sabihin mo, pabili nga po ng flour. Here. Oh. What are you going to say?
I don't know what you're
Sabi mo, pabili nga pong flour.
I don't want.
Sabihin mo, pabili nga po ng flour. Ay, tuturuan nga kitang bumili.
Pabili flour. Flour.
Harina po. Harina, 1/4. Tsaka egg, 2. Ay, wala. Hoy, hoy. Don't go there.
Where?
Just stay here.
What? There's glizzies.
Ayun na yung flour. Get the flour.
Did you have flour? What?
Opo, tsaka isang
2 eggs. Wait.
2 eggs. Wala pa silang eggs. Tsaka ano ba yung safeguard? Yung sachet lang. Ay, don't. Magagalit sila. Sige. Go get the flour.
Flour.
Just wait. Ayun na. Yun na si kuya.
Flour.
Oh, get. The sukli.
Thanks.
Sukli pa. Oh, di ba? Oh, let's go na. Egg pa. Wala.
I know they had eggs.
We're gonna buy somewhere ng egg.
Like a followers. I like 1,000 followers. I think
Oh, tama. Habangga ka na.
there's a black cat that looks like black cat in Spunky.
Oh, you're
Am
gonna
I
buy
right?
egg. Yes, you're gonna buy egg. Matapod niya na.
Wow, toy! I expected to see that.
Oh, egg.
Magkano na cookies ko, train pack mo?
Ew, dog food.
Ah, magkano po?
Oh, buy egg.
15?
Papi needs some egg.
Oh,
Ito, dalawa. Did I get them?
no. Just wait for this, ano, for the...
Ah.
No, not that. Ay, makulit.
I can still smell dog food. It actually looks nasty.
Tatlo pong egg.
Dalawa.
Ay, dalawa daw. Dalawa lang gusto mo?
Yes.
Mabasag, ah.
It's gonna be perfect.
Oh, what are you going to say?
Thank you.
Oh, let's go. We were going...
Toy.
Toy, wala. Hindi tayo magtutoy.
That's always so cool. Don't judge me.
We're going home na and you're gonna cook that na, ha?
Yes. Wow, my fingers. Stop. What? It just shakes again because you didn't.
Ang pangit na muka.
Yeah. Why? Dogs curl their tail like that. That's good.
Ano?
Why the dog's tails is the letter of the letter C?
Yung buntot ng mga dog, nagiging
Yes.
letter C.
Yes. Maybe are they angry?
Yes. I know.
Yes.
I when they angry.
No. It's a baby. When I'm a big boy, I never fatten.
But when you are a baby,
Why are these kids running? I don't want to join them.
hop, tabi, tabi, tabi.
That and heart attack.
Ano?
I'm looking down, so I will walk perfectly. Left here.
Step. Bring here.
What? We bring the wrong thing. Crack it.
Ay, it's soap. I bought that. Faster.
Oh, there's egg.
Ay, mababasag. Huwag mo munang basagin.
There might be egg.
Ang tagal. Dali mo na dito yung flour. Oh, ang gagawin mo. Kung alam mo magluto. I will put.
I know rats had this big smell.
Oh, then
How's
next.
yours?
What's next?
I don't know.
Ay, sabi mo you know. What's next?
Make it smooth.
Dito mo na yan basagin. Here.
Chip.
Yes.
Bruh.
Ang tagal, magbabasag lang ng egg. Oh. Tanggalin mo yung ano, natanggal na ano, yung eggshell. Oh, next. What's next?
Water.
Oh, get water.
Water. Water. Why not?
It's okay. It's okay. It's clean eh.
I think alien deserve to
Don't remove your sleeper.
not be
Sleeper.
alive.
Oh, konti lang. Mix mo muna. Baka sumobra yung water. Just mix first. Mix.
Why is there still something? This looks like a huge curse. Real life huge curse.
Mix well.
I'm trying to get the other flour in this one.
Oh, we need to put some water pa.
Mom, I saw the episode of Peppa and George making pancakes.
Kaya gusto mo magluto.
Yeah, I can copy them. Why does George keep on doing it like
Huwag mo
this?
ganyan eh. Masira yung ano eh.
Tell me, why does George...
I don't know. I'm not watching Peppa Pig.
Yes, I do.
Oh, you know pala eh.
Do too. Still putting water. No, that's not the case.
Just mix it well.
I think I'm gonna flood your entire bathroom. Let me flood it. Mama.
And then,
I wanted to do a tiny one, but no. I will make a tinier one.
oh, just mix muna. Until the pan is hot.
Did you call this a pan?
Yes, it's a pan. Frying pan. Not fun. Frying pan.
But
Let me see.
why is this here? What is here? This mix.
Oops, ako na. Baka
Okay.
matapon mo eh. Just watch na lang first. I think it's hot. So
Yeah.
we're gonna put
Make a perfect circle. I want it bigger.
bigger.
Yes, a giant.
Is that okay?
Yes.
And then we need to
Ah,
cover and wait for the pancake
to be put this.
Ayun. And then we need to
Flipper. Mom, I think you're a pancake flipper.
Wow.
Whoa.
Is it
Kind of
perfect?
looks like a curse. Mom,
Is it, huh?
it still looks like a curse with these lines and holes. Can you let me, please? I love.
I know.
Hey, Mom, I got some bad news from your grandma.
Ano yun? Ano kinain mo? I think it's luto na.
Yes. But finally,
Wow.
my butt time.
Perfect.
This-
And what are you
This
going?
actually shape look. This
What are you
actually
going to
look like a
put?
shape.
You're gonna put this
Nasty.
nasty.
It's cheese.
No.
Let me eat cheese.
And
Is that
then
cheese?
you're gonna spread this. Oops.
This
Lagyan
looks
na natin
like my
yung-
actual pancake. Blech. Are you putting a tiny one? Don't put it over here. Put it.
Ay, walang tubig. Ay! And then we're gonna spread this. And we're gonna get some Haki.
What?
Sugar.
It's ready. Up.
Sugar.
Sugar. This is real sugar. Look. Look at my sugar.
Eh.
Look. I'll get you first.
Okay, your pancake is done. Haki, oh. Your pancake
Yay!
is done. Oh, it's hot. What were you going to say?
Thank you, Mama.